Hey guys, the brand sent me this wireless laptop mouse for free so I can check it out and create this video. I want to show you how easy it is to use and how well it works. Now to use it, it's real simple. You're simply going to open up back here, remove this USB connection here, and stick this into your laptop, Chromebook, or MacBook. Then you simply insert one AA battery in here. There you go, ready to use. Now just open up your laptop. There you go. You can see right away the mouse working. Now you can adjust this to 5 different DPI levels using the button over here. And you can also adjust the polling rate as well, 2 different settings there. It's even got functional buttons here on the side. So it's high quality, works great, very ergonomic, has a nice feel to it, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants an easy to use wireless mouse for your laptop, Chromebook, MacBook, or anywhere else a USB can plug in.